Change of Name, written by Shri J.S. In a movie I saw recently, a teenaged daughter asks her father the name of the capital of Croatia. The father confesses he does not know. The admission made me wonder if the actor knows the answer. And then the thought struck me that I did not know what the capital of Croatia is. The problem lies not with me but with geography, which keeps changing what parts of it call themselves. Croatia, for example, was once part of Yugoslavia before it became Croatia, along with its siblings called Slovenia, Serbia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Montenegro and North Macedonia. Then Turkey got up and decided it no longer wanted to be mistaken for the large bird traditionally associated with Thanksgiving in US and changed its name to Turkey. Presently called Astana, Kazakhstan's capital was earlier called Akmola, which means white tomb, when it was part of USSR. Before acquiring this funeral undertone, it was called Selenograd, which itself was a change from its previous name of Akmolinsk. I find I no longer live in Gurgaon as I have done for the past 20 odd years, but have been name shifted to Gurugram. The citizens of Allahabad have been terminologically shunted to Prayagraj. Those of Aurangabad have been reassigned to Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, and the good folk of Osmanabad in Maharashtra suddenly find themselves in Dharashiv. While many name changes are effected as a means of jettisoning the undesirable baggage of colonial or cultural association, some are made for the sake of practicality and everyday convenience. The Thai city, originally called Krung Thep Maha Nakhon Amon, and so on for another 17 words, has been compressed to Bangkok to spare the vocal cords of residents and visitors alike. However, some proposed changes are based not on reason but on mass delusion and fantasy, as in the case of Beijing's attempt to rename the Indian state of Arunachal Pradesh as Jiangnan and claim it as part of Tibet. Oh, and by the way, Croatia's capital is Zagreb. Unless by the time you read this, it has changed itself to something else.